What's up guys, so today I'm doing something semi-car related. I'm painting the garage. I'm sick and tired of like the gloomy kind of brick, look about it. So basically I bought loads of masonry paint. I'm doing black floor with grey, light grey wall, so it can have looks a bit more lighter. Then after that I'm going to be fitting my roll cage because it arrived 2 days ago, so I'll be fitting that. So I'm buzzing to see what this garage is going to turn out like, and then put the cage in. So I've got my Hey!
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Who's interested, this one here is Scooby. That is the one that took the piss out of the wall. And this one here is Oscar, who likes to chew things. Ready, boys? Hey, ready? Yes, of course we're ready. Good boy. Right guys, so the paint's all dry. Obviously I didn't get no footage of me painting because that'd just be really boring. But yeah, let's take a look. Honestly guys, I am so pumped the way this has turned out. The black with the light grey just goes so well. Kind of regretting the black flooring in a way, because I know in the future it's going to be a bit of a pain for me to keep clean. It's just going to take a lot of effort with dust, etc. and working on the car, but it looks good, so it'll be fine. Also, I found a place to put my spark plug like key holder or steering wheel holder that I made during lockdown, and it's just up there on the window, so that's looking pretty cool. I'm also madly excited because the thing that's going to complement all this work is the fact that in a few weeks we've got the driveway being done and it's been extended, and it's going to allow us to have like a good 2 or even possibly 3 cars on the driveway alone. So what with that space out there and in here, it's going to make epic car days with friends and then good content for the channel. So while we're on the subject of content for the channel, I've got 2 car reviews that will be coming up in the near future that I personally think you're going to love. Both cars you rarely see anymore, or one you probably never have seen before. I know personally that one of them I haven't until he bought his, so I'm super excited to show you those, and hopefully it makes for good content for you guys. But enough of that for now. I'm going to go into the car and start fitting the roll cage. It looks pretty simple and easy. I'll try and talk you through it just in case you think about getting one for yours, etc. But yeah, let's go. So here it is. Here's the cage itself. Oh my God. Literally just started raining, but I'm still gonna do it because I'm excited. So excited. The finish on this is mad. Excuse the untidy car, but yeah, there's loads of wrapping as well. They're not stingy the wrapping. So I was gonna get this in either black or a natural finish, then have a resprayed gold. But in the end, I thought I might as well just go red, black. No, I don't think you'd see it as much. It might sound stupid, whereas red's right in your face, and obviously gold is like my 3rd colour. So there's just like little touches around the car of gold. Even though I'm thinking about getting my alloys resprayed gold instead of black. Also, I forgot to mention that I actually ordered new harnesses. I bought some 5-point ones that we have in our Track Mini. Yeah, I feel like they're better, even though they were like 20 quid cheaper. Don't know how that can be, but definitely a bargain. Love them. Yeah, and they're a bit thicker, so they feel a bit more race car-y, and they don't ride too high up like the TRS ones did. Because that was my issue with them, is I found with the 4-point TRS ones, I found they rid up too high. I felt like I was wearing like my Mrs. Bikini. Not that I've worn a bikini before, but... And before anyone says anything in the comments about me rocking harnesses with standard seats, they're on the way, okay? So I'm starting to get really annoyed because these obviously line up this side, but then it comes to this side and it's more off than the week old milk I had sitting in the fridge after my holiday. So, bolting cage, have a laughing, yeah? One side maybe, shit, the bed. I'm pulling it and it's not going over that way, it's just too fucking short. So my dear friend Will, slash friend mechanic, slash whatever the fuck you want to call him, has come over because he's gone to get my missus tyre changed for me. Absolutely fucking legend. Best mobile mechanic around. So I'm going to ask him what he thinks of this. Will! Do you want to laugh? You're on camera, by the way. So this side fits.
Here we go.
Yeah. This side fits.
Have you got big enough hammer?
Huh?
Have you got big enough hammer?
Yeah.
Fix it then.
Yeah, and this side doesn't line up at all. Like, I can't get over.
How far off is it?
Come have a look.
Oh.
It's quite a bit off, isn't it?
It's not close.
No, it's not, is it? Actually, a bit of a fucking joke.
Oh, you're always going to try and not swear.
No, it's right. You can swear. Oh, on a serious note, though, I just called Richard Bros to fit my actuator, my full drop, on Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
No, what's today?
Tonight. Tuesday? Could be Friday, I'm not saying that.
No, I can't remember. Anyway, it's they're fitting it next week, so
Get on.
more boost.
More boost.
More boost.
More power, baby. More power, baby.
Did you hurt yourself? It's like I feel sorry for my mum when she gave birth to me. Hiya, mummy.
Street shit. That's how we roll. We've got a decent drill.
You fucking cheeky bastard. That's a
That'd be
Makita.
fun.
That's a Makita, mate.
Have you got a decent battery then?
Yeah, there's no batteries up there. So the cage is in. It's in and it is looking good. Just had to make the holes a bit bigger so then we can make it a direct fit. Anyway, so now it's time to fiddle about with the harnesses and get them strapped up to the cage, which is always exciting. And that's that done. It was a bit of a, it's more fiddly, it was difficult, but yeah. It wasn't really a direct fit, was it? Big shout out to Will. Thanks for coming over, sorting out the missus tyre anyway, but thank you for helping me fit the cage. If any of you need a mobile mechanic or just a mechanic in general, give them a shout at Millennium Mechanics on Facebook and Instagram. He will literally go the extra mile for you and take care of you just totally. He's just done a full day's work and then managed to come over and fit me in. So absolute legend, thank you very much. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry if it was a bit of a boring video. Next thing will probably be, well, I won't tell you the next thing actually, because it's happening tomorrow.